Dealing with Excel files that refuse to open due to restrictions can be incredibly frustrating. I've personally spent countless hours testing different solutions for this exact problem and finally found multiple effective ways to get these documents working again, which I am excited to share with you now. First, checking IRM permissions directly addresses the digital locks on these files. Information Rights Management, or IRM, ensures only authorized users can view documents. If your account isn't specifically allowed by the file's creator, or if IRM rules are too strict, Excel will block access. This step confirms you have the proper digital key. Next, updating Excel or your entire Office suite is crucial. Software updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Older Excel versions might not understand the newest IRM security rules or could have glitches. An updated program ensures Excel correctly communicates with the IRM system and confirms permissions. This helps when you need to fix Excel unable to open IRM restricted files, making sure your software is current. Third, clearing Excel's temporary cache can resolve many hidden issues. Excel keeps temporary data to work faster. If this data gets old or damaged, it can confuse the program, especially with security features like IRM. A dirty cache might hold old permission details. Cleaning it forces Excel to get fresh, accurate permission data, often fixing access problems caused by stale records. Finally, disabling any IRM add-ins might be the answer. Add-ins are extra tools for Excel. Sometimes these add-ins, especially older or third-party ones, interfere with Excel's built-in IRM functions. They might create conflicts or add unexpected blocks. Turning them off allows Excel to use its standard, reliable IRM process, removing any extra hurdles stopping you from opening protected documents.